Who wants to be a millionaire? I did. When I left university, my parents had my career all mapped out. They wanted me to be a lawyer. But I wasn't interested in court cases or conveyancing. My burning ambition was to become a self-made millionaire. Within a year of finishing my studies, I'd achieved just that. Since then, I've been a serial entrepreneur, and the only thing that beats the buzz of business is helping others do the same. Today's 7 hacks lifts the lid on the skills all successful entrepreneurs possess. If you want to be a millionaire, start working on these essential attributes. Before I give you all the tips of the trade, I need you to quickly do something. Can you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on my YouTube channel? That way, you'll be kept up to date on all my latest videos. Leader of the pack. To be a millionaire, you need to be bold. So you've come up with a great business idea, but it takes guts to make the leap into turning it into a business. As your idea grows, you will need to be able to inspire, motivate and lead your team. Not everyone can step up to that, but every entrepreneur worth their salt will be able to. Leaders take responsibility, especially when the going gets tough. They look after their employees and will be rewarded with loyalty in return. I've got people in my organisation who have been at my side for donkey's years. I lead, but they certainly have my back. 2. Plan of action. Being organised is a great skill. Being able to know what's happening, how things are run, and how to find information as quickly as possible is crucial when you're running a business. Sure, when you're swamped, you need to be able to delegate, but a good boss always knows who is doing what. Focus on time management. Successful entrepreneurs don't run around like headless chickens trying to cram everything in. They plan their days, weeks, months and years. Set your short-term, medium-term and long-term goals and constantly evaluate how they're going. Plan for the future. 3. Communication. You may think you're a good communicator, but do you really know how to talk to people? Are your emails really getting the best response? Treat everyone you come across with the same level of respect. Whether that's the receptionist when you walk into a new organisation for a meeting, or the CEO of the same multi-million pound organisation. 4. Dealing with sales. Every millionaire should know how to sell, buy or negotiate a deal. I have negotiated more times than I care to remember, and I can tell you that you need to have a strategy. Do your homework on the other party and know what you want to achieve. Be flexible, but don't give away things that are important to you. Don't be a pushover, remain firm but polite. Here's my top tip for negotiation. Listen. No, I know you are right now. I mean listen to the other side. If you are listening, they are talking, and this allows you to figure out what you want. 5. Brand new idea. No one knows your business like you. So create a brand and promote it. We are so lucky to be living in this exciting digital age, and you can use that to your advantage. Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn are all invaluable at creating and promoting your brand and getting your message across to the relevant audience. This is particularly important when you're launching your business. Tell the world what you do and why you are the best. Have a look at my YouTube channel. For me, it's a fantastic way of communication. 6. Helping hand. I've worked unbelievably hard to get where I am, but I never take it for granted. I try to give back to society, and I think all rich people should take this approach. 2 of my favourite charities are Social Bite and the Edinburgh Dog and Cat Home. Look at Andrew Carnegie, possibly the world's most famous philanthropist. He built up a fortune of $330 billion in today's money, but gave away 90% of it before he died, making a huge difference to the worlds of science and the arts. He didn't just fritter it to anyone who asked. He created a lasting legacy. 7. Don't wait, innovate. All good entrepreneurs never stop evolving and moving forward. I set up eNet Computers, which was the largest media storage distributor in Europe. Another company of mine, DataSafe Media, was valued at 30 million by the Sunday Times Rich List. Tech isn't my only area of expertise. I have also bought, sold, asset managed and developed over £500 million worth of property. My point is, don't stop innovating and widening your business interests. If you have a million dreams, get out there and make them come true. A person doesn't become a millionaire overnight, unless of course they win the lottery. It takes a great idea, determination and an incredible work ethic to be a success. But these hacks will set you in the right direction. Let me know your thoughts and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.